Hey, welcome back, okay, and welcome to YouTube, okay, YouTube, for the longer version of the state of Nevada, okay. So let's talk about the state of Nevada, and let's go into a little bit more specifics about the state of Nevada, okay. Nevada, we all know, is a tax deed auction, okay, tax deed state, and that means that you're going to bid, and you're going to be bidding to own the property in the state, okay. Now, there are some cities that will give you the opportunity to buy liens on the property, okay? But overall, the state is basically a deed state that you're going to be bidding on the property to own it, okay? So remember how the auction works. Whoever pays the highest amount will win the auction, okay? And also, remember, in the state of Nevada, you have auctions that are held online, which a lot of the websites is bid for assets, or in person, okay? So what's it mean in person? That means that you're gonna have to go down there, you're gonna have to register, and you are gonna be bidding in person for the property, okay? Now, very important, okay, is that it's kind of unique because the state of Nevada, or a lot of the counties, when you're going to be registering and you're going to be winning the auction, they have a lot of more fees that they're going to charge you. So they're going to charge you, of course, a recording fee, usually about $50. They'll charge you that $35 non-refundable fee. And they'll charge you usually another $35 fee as a winning auction, okay? They'll also put on a 10% fee on your winning bid. So let's suppose you win at, say, $10,000. You just are donating $1,000 to either the auction site or to the county, okay? So make sure you know that. Also, they're going to charge you a little fee. I don't know how to call it, but it's like you have to pay like $55 per $110 value that you're going to be bidding. Okay, so or you're winning. Okay, so what I would recommend very much, okay, is if you're going to be bidding, like say online, and you go and bid for assets, read the information, know the rules, and know all the fees that are going to be associated with the auction, because they can be really significant, okay, on these auctions that I'm seeing in the state of Nevada, okay? So you got to be careful, all right? Also, remember, if you are the winner of the auction, it's going to take about 3 weeks to 3 months, okay, to get your deed, okay? And the reason they do that is because they go in at one time and submit all the paperwork to the recorder's office or to the assessor's office, and records all the paperwork at one time and process it all at one time, okay? And then send out the deeds to everybody one time, okay? So don't expect that you're going to get the deed in a day over there. It's going to take you a good 3 weeks to 3 months in order to get the deed in the state of Nevada, okay? Now, remember that when you're going to be registering and you're going to be bidding online, they are going to ask you how you're going to hold your title, okay? Are you going to hold your title as an individual, person, corporation, LLC, a trust, you know? So you, as the investor, have to know. And you've got to also know that if your company is in another state and it's not approved to do business in Nevada, they may not allow you to bid, okay? So you got to make sure that your company is approved in that state to bid, and also get a statement or a good standing letter from the state. That way you know your company's in good standing, okay, with the Secretary of State, okay? It's an extra fee you got to pay for that too, all right? Now, also, just found out too that state of Nevada, some of the counties do have mobile home sales separately, okay? Now, these are probably mobile homes in the park, all right? But if you just want the real property, which is the houses, the land, the apartment buildings, and so on like that, or mobile homes attached to land, that's probably going to be in the real auction one, okay? But they do have, some of the counties have separate mobile home auctions that they sell the mobile homes that are in the park, and you will only own the mobile home, okay? And you will not own the land, okay? So again, something different, okay, in the state of Nevada, because here in California, we don't have that, okay? So make sure you know the rules in the state that you plan on bidding and find out the type of auctions they're having on, okay? When are they held? Well, we're finding out most of the auctions in the state of Nevada are held usually the first 6 months of the year, okay? So, you know, the end of the year, they may not have any of the auctions, okay? So you got to check on that. You got to find the rules on that and see, okay, when are they going to be held and so on like that. So anyways, that's a little bit more information in the state of Nevada for the tax deed auctions, okay? And give you some more information there, okay? So I hope you liked the little video. And if you do, please like us, share the video. Remember, check us out under taxsalessuccess.com. taxsalessuccess.com. We've got some free information there. You can get some great information there, okay? And what's our motto once again? You are one step away from your dreams coming true in the tax sales. So until next time, we'll see you then.